Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by pouring 2 cups of your prepared BBQ marinade into a medium saucepan and add 1 cup ketchup plus 1/4 cup packed brown sugar. Stir in 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon neutral oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoons salt to balance acidity and mouthfeel. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring frequently so the sugar dissolves and the ketchup integrates. Simmer for 15 minutes to marry flavors, and slightly reduce the liquid for a sauce. If the sauce is too thin, make a quick slurry of 1 tablespoon cornstarch and 2 tablespoons cold water and whisk it into the simmering sauce. Reduce heat to low and continue to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes while whisking occasionally until the sauce coats the back of a spoon and reaches the desired thickness. Taste and adjust balance. Add 1 tablespoon honey for sweetness, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard for tang, and 1 teaspoon liquid smoke or smoked paprika to boost smoky depth before cooling. After cooking, remove the saucepan from heat and let the sauce cool slightly, then transfer to a clean jar or container. Refrigerate for up to 1 week or freeze for up to 3 months in portion containers. To use as a glaze, brush the sauce on ribs, chicken, or pork during the last 10 minutes of grilling or roasting to caramelize without burning. Apply multiple thin coats for a sticky finish. For safety, never reuse sauce that contacted raw meat unless you bring it to a rolling boil for at least 3 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.